Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of access failed on Discord app. You will click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you search about Discord and you will enter. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors that can delete your account. So please don't forget to support us. Before that, you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Discord problem and you can update your app if you will find updates in this blue sign. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention and your watching.